Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you update MSI monitors firmware. So here are quick fix bugs to find your model, install updates. Step 1, find your monitor model. Check the model number on the monitor label or in the OSD menu. For example, you can go for Mac 274 QRF QD. Step 2, download the firmware. Visit the MSI support website. Search for your monitor model. Open the support or download section and download the latest firmware if it is available. Step 3. Install MSI software if it is required. Some MSI monitors require the gaming OSD app to update firmware. Step 4. Connect the monitor to your PC. Use the required cable after a USB-B upstream cable in addition to HDMI or DisplayPort. Refer to the firmware instructions for your specific model. Step 5. Run the firmware update. Open the MSI software or firmware updater. Select the downloaded firmware file if prompted. Start the update and wait for it to complete. Step 6. Do not turn off the monitor. Keep the monitor powered on during the update. Interrupting the process may cause firmware issues. Step 7. Restart the monitor. After the update finishes, power cycle the monitor and verify the new firmware version. If no firmware is available, many MSI monitors do not offer user-installable firmware updates. If you cannot find a firmware download for your model on the MSI support page, your monitor may already be running the latest available firmware. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.